Why PHP is better than its other alternatives for web projects. PHP is powerful and popular. PHP is incredibly beating its alternatives in the playfield of web development. Top alternatives of PHP are JavaScript. JavaScript offers seamless user interaction on the web. It enables asynchronous coding that boosts application performance. Java. It is greatly robust and one of the primitive languages for web development. It is a fast and strongly typed programming language that allows you to write less buggy code. Python. Python overtakes PHP as the scripting language of choice for server-side development. It allows you to capitalize on application security and scale quickly. Ruby. Ruby brings convenience and flexibility to web development, and you can develop any type of application. It offers MVC-based development for higher application performance. C#. C# and ASP.NET are excellent at creating powerful features and forging excellent performance. Now, its framework has advanced features such as JavaScript to make web development more swift. So, how is PHP better than all of these alternatives for web development projects? It is open source, free, and friendly for developers and beginners. PHP development is cost-effective and swift. PHP works on all major OS, Windows, Linux, and Unix. PHP is highly secured and offers great flexibility. PHP has frameworks for dissimilar needs, such as WordPress, Laravel, Symfony, CakePHP, etc. Want to leverage PHP for your next web development project? Reach out to ValueCoders.